With the right treatment planning, placement of dental implant for one or a full arch of treatment can be a simple, predictable, and painless procedure. When a patient first comes to us and we do a consultation, probably the most important thing for us is to really learn from the patient what their concerns are and what their hope for the outcome should be. Every patient's treatment is individual and customized, so it's really important to learn whether they're concerned about function or aesthetics, whether they're concerned about pain and anxiety. Everybody has something that they're focused on. So we spend a lot of time learning about each patient's desires, needs, concerns, and customizing a treatment that makes sense for them. Dental implants have actually been around for a while now, over 40 years, but a full arch treatment, which we refer to as Revita Smile, is truly amazing and revolutionary. We're using the dental implant in a different concept so that we can remove unhealthy teeth, replace missing teeth, all at one time, with the same time we place a bridge of new beautiful teeth in one procedure. This is a great procedure for patients who are missing all the teeth or some of the teeth, or they have unhealthy teeth that need to be removed. One of the most amazing things about this procedure is nobody ever leaves without non-removable teeth. One of the great benefits of Revita Smile is that almost always we can avoid bone grafting. That means that we can get the treatment results that we want much quicker with less procedures and with a lot less pain. There are lots of patients who are candidates for Revita Smile. We have patients who have been in dentures and no longer want removable teeth. We have patients who are missing some teeth and require extensive care and multiple procedures and grafting and don't want to go through such a long treatment, and so the full arch reconstruction is excellent for them. We have patients who have unhealthy teeth and gum disease who really can no longer save their teeth. And again, this provides a solution where they can take care of those teeth and go from completely unhealthy to a full arch of healthy teeth in just one procedure. To learn more about Revita Smile and to see if this is the right treatment for you, please give our office a call, or you can go to our website and make an appointment there. We would love to meet you.